Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Projects. I am back with another video. So in this video I am going to tell you 5 shortcuts of Android Studio which can save you a lot of time, and believe on me, these shortcuts are very amazing and recently I know about them, so I want to share with you. So these shortcuts definitely can save your time. So don't further delay. Now let's start the video and see these amazing shortcut. And if you don't subscribe our channel, then please subscribe the channel and hit the bell notification. And if you don't like the video till now, then please like the video. So now let's start the video. So for these shortcuts, first of all, open your Android Studio. So I open my Android Studio, and one more thing I want to say, and I am working on a movie rating app which contain a retrofit and coroutines, Kotlin and room database. So I will going to upload the tutorial of this. So some amazing projects are also coming, so if you don't subscribe our channel, then please subscribe the channel. So now let's move on our first shortcut. So let us suppose if we are working on a big project and we have 100 of vector asset. So how can we import all of vector asset in a one click, in a single click? So the traditional method of doing this, let us suppose if you want to import a vector asset in your project, then you come inside your resource folder, then come inside your drawable folder, then you have to right click here. Then after this you have to go on new, then you have to click on vector asset, and then you have to go on local file, and from here you select any file or any vector asset which you want, and then you can. So it will going to take lots of time if we have 100 of vector assets. So how we can achieve this with a single click? So for this, what you have to do, you have to go on tools, and after going on tools you have to come inside your resource manager. So it will open this kind of thing. So you can see this resource manager contain lots of things which contain animations in your project, and strings, all strings which present in your present, layout files, colors which is present, and inside this drawable. So now if I want to import vector asset, you have to click on plus, and then you have to click on import drawables. That's it. Now from here you can import multiple drawables. So let us suppose I want to use this. So if I click here and if I select all, and that's it, click on OK, and it will going to show all drawables or vector asset here, and then you click on next, and from here you can change the name or whatever you want to do, and then that's it. And then after this you can successfully use in your project. So hope this is the new shortcut, and if you learn something new, then please like the video and please subscribe the channel. So now let's move on to our second shortcut. So let us suppose we have a big project, and in big project we have a lots of files. So let us suppose I want to go on specific file, and in big projects basically we work with a hierarchy, like in data folder we have something, and in API folder we have different thing, in fragments we have different thing, in adapters we have a different files. So on that time it is very difficult to find a specific file. So for this, what you have to do, you have to press double shift. So simply press double shift, it will open this search dialog, and from here you have to simply type your file name. So when you start typing here, let us suppose I want to go in main activity, you can see it is start highlighting, and simply press enter, you are directly come here. So this is the second shortcut, and maybe this is very helpful shortcut while working on a very big project, and believe on me, this is one of the best shortcut. Now the third shortcut is if you want to search a particular word in your file. So I open this file. So it contain only 3 lines, but in big projects it may contain up to 1000 to 2000 lines in a single file. So let us suppose you want to search a particular word, and then what you have to do, you have to find out by manually, and then you can grow by manually by scrolling, and it will going to take lots of time. So what you can do, just simply press Ctrl plus R. Ctrl plus R, it will open the search dialog for a specific file. So now let us suppose if I want to find the word artist list, you can see artist list present here. So if I want to find this, so simply type here artist and list. So it will going to show all words which contain the artist list. So you can see it contain 2 words. So first word is here and second one is here. So this is very amazing thing, and this is also very helpful thing. While now the fourth shortcut is also related to this. So simply if I type here, let us suppose popular, so you can see my file contains 6 times populars. Now let us suppose I want to replace a specific word by a specific another word. So what I can do, on the top I can type the word which I want to replace, and the replaceable of the word. So let us suppose I want to replace popular by tech. So simply type tech below this search bar and simply click on replace all. So it will replace all words by the tech. You can see now the all words contain tech instead of popular. So this is very amazing thing, and now I can change this again, otherwise my project is not going to work. So let's make it change and replace all. That's it. Now 4 shortcuts are done, so now the last shortcut is left. So the last shortcut is also very amazing. So let us suppose you are working on a project, then you close this project and you open new project. So now after opening new project, you remember that your old project contains something and you want to use that thing, so you want to open that project again. So what you can do, so you can go on file, then you can go on open, and from here you can open the project. So it is very difficult to find out the project from here if you have a lots of projects like me. And for this, what you can do, just go on file and then you have to click on open recent. So it will going to show all recent folders, so you can directly open the project from here. So it can save your time from go from here, and then it will going to show list and you have to find out. So instead of this, just click on open recent and simply you can select any project which you want, and then you can open this. So this is all for about this video, and if you have any question, if you have any query, just comment down below and let me know in comments how many shortcuts you already know about Android Studio, and if you know some more shortcut, then please let me know in comments, and so it will also helpful for me and it will also helpful for other who are reading your comments. So thank you. If you have any question, just comment down below. Soon I will going to upload our news app. Soon I will going to upload our notes app series and also this movie rating app. So don't worry, lots of content is going to come on our channel. So if you don't subscribe our channel, then please subscribe the channel. So thank you. See you soon in next amazing video.